Need a break from city chaos? Dalat's pine hills are calling your name. The sun was high in the sky as I made my way up the pine hill in Dalat, leaving the city's noise far behind. The air was crisp and clean, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Reaching the top, I was greeted by a breathtaking view of the city below, nestled among rolling hills and lush greenery. Finding a cozy spot to set up my campsite, I was surrounded by towering pine trees and the soothing sounds of nature. I unpacked a simple yet delicious lunch: sandwiches, fruit, cold drinks. I also grilled some corn and sweet potatoes on the fire stove I made from the dry firewood I gathered around. As I ate, I marveled at the beauty around me. The sun filtered through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Birds chirped and flitted from branch to branch, their songs blending with the rustling leaves in the gentle breeze. I lingered over my meal, not wanting to leave this serene oasis. It was an unforgettable experience, a slice of peace I'll carry with me long after returning to the city below.